In this video I'll show you how to open the hood. So the first thing, you need to go on the left side of the steering wheel. You're gonna find this latch, pull it, okay, pull it fully just to make sure. There'll be a gap. This truck doesn't have any bumper, so it will be easier for me to demonstrate. Basically, you're gonna slide your finger right in the middle. This is where the emblem is, and there'll be this latch. You won't see it, you're gonna feel it with your fingers. What you need to do is to push this latch towards the right side, and at the same time lifting the whole hood like this. It looks like that. You see there's a hook. This is what was maintaining your hood in place. And yeah, this is about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.